The Senzo Meyiwa murder trial has resumed in the High Court in Pretoria. Vodacom's forensic liaison supervisor is back on the stand. Let's take you live to the court proceedings.
Mr. was in the house, and Edward Shope, who is the brother-in-law of Senzo Meyiwa, immediately after Senzo was shot.
My Lord, I will object to that question, unless if my colleague can pull out the record and point out where in the evidence did Mr. Tumelo Madlala said he did communicate with Mr. Edward Shope.
My Lord, I didn't say it's an evidence of the state. I've indicated that the defense will give evidence that there was a communication between Tumelo Madlala and Edward Shope. That's what the defense will say. And my concern is that how can I prove in terms of Section 205 that there was such a communication if that evidence was not provided by the state or was not provided in court?
I cannot answer that because you will have to ask the state why it wasn't provided in court.
Thank you.
Uchangeke ngikhona ukuphendula lokho ngumkhushisi lo ngakhona ukuphendula ukuthi kungenxa yani kwakuthiwani kungabuzwa lokho la enkantolo.
Because the 205 of Tumelo Madlala, you were not given for you to give evidence to this court as to who was he communicating with on the day Senzo was killed. Correct?
I wasn't requested for such information.
Akazangacelwe ukuthi kuhlolwe futhi noTumelo Madlala ukuthi bekhuluma ngubani ngalelo langa la uSenzo Meyiwa washona ngalo.
Same applies to Zandile Khumalo, Gladness Khumalo, and Mthokozisi Twala. Same applies to them. They were in the house, you were not provided with the information to give it as evidence in this court.
Correct.
Nalaba abanye noma babe khona phakathi endlini kodwa akazangacelwe ukuthi nabo magaba hlolo.
May I just confirm this, my Lord, with my colleague? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, my Lord. There's a question that I wanted to, or information that I wanted to relate to you, that Kelly Khumalo, he made a call, and he called Senzo Twala after the incident, on the day of the incident, when she was at the hospital.
And those are visuals that we're seeing there from the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial that has resumed at the Pretoria High Court in Pretoria. You may remember that the Vodacom forensic liaison supervisor, it's not the first time that she is on the stand. She has come back. In this case, the spotlight has been put on the accused number 3's particular phone, and that is Mthobisi Ncube.